2012 Harley Davidson Dyna Switchback, and this one's in red. We have the cool black matte wheels with the star pattern. Nice tall windshield, comfortable grips. We've got the engine guards in chrome that match the rest of the chrome engine. And those inches. And we have the Vance and Hines exhaust. Locking saddlebags, passenger backrest and luggage rack. We also have passenger floorboards. We have the Screamin' Eagle spark plug wires. Everything up here looks just really nice, very well maintained bike, and the miles are only 13,555. Again, this is a 2012 Dyna Switchback in red. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.